So today our discussion topic is psoriasis. Psoriasis is a autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder, and here the erythematous plaque are seen. Erythematous plaque are seen with silvery white scaling. So it is very important, silvery white scaling from question from gives from these words, and mainly extensor sites are involved. Mainly extensor sites are involved. But in case of inverse psoriasis, the flexor compartment also involved. Flexor part involved. Okay. And the most common type of psoriasis is psoriasis vulgaris. And in case of juvenile psoriasis HLA CW6 associated. Okay. And in case of psoriatic arthritis HLA B27 is involved, associated. And then gutted psoriasis in case of gutted psoriasis children are involved, but there is a history of upper respiratory tract infection, URTI or upper respiratory tract infection. And in case of erythematous psoriasis there is not silvery scalations or silvery white scaling not seen. There is seen erythematous papules. Papules are seen. Erythematous papules are seen. In case of pustular psoriasis, pus filled lesions seen. But this pustular psoriasis, if it is occur in pregnancy, then it is called impetigo herpetiformis. Then nail changes happen. There is irregular and deep pitting is seen, and while drop lesions are seen. Okay. Then joints, most common joint involve distal interphalangeal joint, DIP. Most common psoriatic arthritis, psoriatic arthritis. Most common psoriatic arthritis is asymmetrical, oligoarticular type. Oligoarticular type. Then in X-ray we can see pencil cuff deformity. Pencil cuff deformity we can see, and some special sign, Auspitz sign are seen. Signs are seen. Pinpoint bleeding spots on rubbing the lesion. Okay, that is called Auspitz sign. And Uronoff ring seen. Then histological features, that is important. Histological, there is Monro's microabscess seen. Abscess seen, and Cogos spatial seen. Dermal papilla are enlarged. And suprapapillary thinning. Suprapapillary thinning are seen. Then absence of stratum granulosum. And thickening of stratum spinosum. Seen. Stratum spinosum. So these are important histological point. Then treatment is generally used topically, steroids, then keratolytic agent, then phototherapy, and systemic drugs like methotrexate, cyclosporin, those are used. Acitretin used. Okay. In case of psoriatic arthritis, methotrexate is used. In case of erythrodermic psoriasis, same methotrexate is used. In case of pustular psoriasis, acitretin used. And in pregnancy or It is called also impetigo herpetiformis. In pregnancy, corticosteroids are used. Steroids are used. Okay. Thank you.